We got it, guys. We freaking got it. We nailed it. Success, success, success. We're using so many lights, so many gels, but we got it. Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray, and we're about to start a photo shoot. First and foremost, we're going to be opening up and unboxing the MagMod Beauty Dish. Now, this thing isn't new. It's new to me, but it's a few months old. Obviously, it's been out already in the market. I just haven't had the chance to personally open it myself for the first time. So in true Ray Alvarez fashion, I'm not really going to unbox and describe every piece. That's boring. That's old. I'm just going to open it and get right to work. So let's do it. All right, so first, let me get this thing out of here. Knife. Still. So there's like stickies on each side. Some. Get this thing open. Top off. Get out of here. All right. This is pretty cool. All right, so it comes in this really cool case. I got the Pro version, so this carry case, which I have to attach the shoulder holster. Shoulder strap. Let's open it up. Ooh, nice. So you got the, to soften the light a little bit more, diffuser panel. You got some extra clamps. This is awesome. All right, let's put this thing right to work, guys. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this light, 400 watt special edition, Godox. We're gonna add the bulb. And we're ready to go. So this thing is collapsed. So all you need to do is just basically, in true MagMod fashion, right? It's got the grid on it, which is magnetic. Put this baby in. Just like that. All right, so I'm going to keep building the rest of this here. Once I finalize the set to what I want, I'll show you guys what we have. All right, guys, so we're back, and I'm here with Kay Alvarez. Looking amazing. We're going to get creative today. Today, we're going to mess around with a few of her perfume bottles, colognes that we have at home, the little collection that she has here. Expensive. But yeah, so we're going to be working with the perfumes. I don't know how I want to light it yet, but I'm definitely going to be using the MagMod Beauty Dish as my key light. But I want some gels, I want some color, I want some rim lighting. Let's see where we go with this. So I know that a lot of you in my YouTube channel and a lot of you in the MagMod Facebook group always ask, how do you start off with gels? And if you guys missed our class at Shutterfest, sorry guys, I had to pause it there. We're home. This is our home studio, so we're using our dishwasher right now, and it's making all the wishy-washy noises. Whatever. Let's disregard that. So if you missed my class at Shutterfest this year, there was one of the classes that taught how to gel and how to use key lights and working backwards, right? So applying your gels first and then worrying about your key light. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'm thinking, so far, I'm not married to this concept yet. I want to get one gel light on this side and another gel light on this side. I'm going to be using the strip boxes here, which you see in the background, one here and then one directly behind me. I'm going to put a purple dome gel inside of that one, and I'm going to put a yellow dome gel. We're going to call this yellow dome gel. We're going to call this a yellow dome gel here inside of the strip box. So And I'm wearing pants in this video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm referring to my last video. Tap up here to watch it. Hilarious. All right, guys. So I have the strip box with the yellow dome gel. I'm going to build it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to position it and everything and then test it out. So let's break it down real quick. I have a 200 watt strobe on this strip box and a 200 watt strobe on this strip box. But let's build these two lights and go from there. Alright guys, so what I was just doing was just testing the lighting. I pretty much have light B set up and light C right behind me set up. This is a strip box, two strip boxes equally. I'm not using any grids, so there's a little bit of control of light, but not too much. So it is spilling here on the sides of K. Things to keep in mind. This one has a purple dome gel, like I said earlier. This one has a yellow, and as you can see on your screen right now, this is what it looks like right now. I have light B at 1/32, and then I have light C at 1/64. And the reason that is because the yellow is a little bit more prominent. The purple is a little bit darker, so I brightened it up just a tad bit to have more of that purple saturation coming on her right side here. But I like where we are right now. We're still going to play around with it because we still have to worry about our key light, and then we have to worry about the lighting for our props. All right, so you might be wondering, this thing right here is all lit up with the BFP Pro. I'll show you guys here in a sec. But right now it's lighting, so that's my other light that I'm adding to the combination. I've already got these two set up right now, so that's what the exposure looks like right now with this lit up. I like how blurry it is. I like how out of focus it is. It's really cool. So now we're going to add and implement the key light onto here, and then I might add another light, which will be technically our fourth light for this set, with another idea I have. So I'll let you guys know here in a few seconds. Beauty dish right ahead here. I do have the grid on it, which controls the light way more, controls the spill of light, and it's very directional. So what we're going to do is I'm going to remove it and see if it's going to help me at all. Who knows? I might like it better this way, right? So let's give that a shot. This is the first time I am messing with this beauty dish. So I'm just experimenting right now. I'm just changing things around and just seeing where we can get with things. Let's give it a shot. Alright, she said it's super bright, but that's okay. So we've gotten to a point where I'm really happy with the results I'm getting. So I had to up these lights in the back to 1/8. The reason why is because my shutter speed is really high right now. So you're gonna see the settings on the screen right now. That is the current settings on my camera. It makes everything super dark, which is why I have to put these at 1/8. I believe this one here is at 1/16. Now I'm gonna turn on the light I have over here, which is constant light for the perfume bottles here, and we're getting much closer to the final results. All right guys, so real quick, this is I had the continuous lighting, the newer 150, which was a 150 watt light. On the screen right now, you're seeing an image that I created with that, where the continuous lighting was on the perfume bottles. I did like it, but it wasn't enough power. All right, guys, so we are ready to go. So just real quick, we got the key light right over here. It is the AD400 Pro SE. We have K. We have one light right over here that is shining right towards K's hand right over there. She's going to have a perfume bottle in her hand, and that light is just going to shine on that perfume bottle. Then I have the two in the back. And last but not least, we added one more light right behind Kay. It's another 600. It has a blue dome gel on it, and it's going to make her pop and stand out from that background. It's going to separate her really nicely. So now that you see those pictures, now that you see the lighting, let's get started. Guys, so that's how you set up this exact shot. I hope that this video was instructional and helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comments. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're always creating fun projects, fun photo shoots that this was blank. This was just created earlier. Like we did not plan this. We were like, all right, what do you think? Perfumes. We were in a room talking, and that's how we came up with the idea. So another thing, if you come this far into the video and you're still here, you're in luck, because what I want you to do is drop a comment down below. Tell me how you would use one of these. This is the MagMod Pro Creative Gels, basically what I was using here, but it's smaller format for the 200s. These are fully magnetic. These are the V2s. These are the newest ones. Brand new in packaging. So if you drop in the comments what you would do with this creative set, give me the best story so Kay and I can go through the comments and check it out. In a few weeks here, once this video is posted, in a few weeks, you, the winner, will be selected. This is random. This isn't a giveaway or contest. This is just something that I wanted to give away to you guys, for the one that sits there and tells me the best story, how creative you can possibly get with the creative gel set here on MagMod. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like so other photographers just like you who are trying to learn about lighting, gels, and BTS and all that stuff can find my videos on the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.